Do you want earbuds that look like sci-fi and sound like a party? Nothing's Ear Open 2 just leaked overnight, promising a lighter open-ear design and thumping bass for a June drop. They're trending wild, and sources think they'll hit at $149 to rival Bose. Stick around to see why these buds are about to steal the show. What's good, audio fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Nothing's making waves again. Leaks of the Ear Open 2 earbuds hit the web last night, teasing a June launch. With a lighter open-ear fit and beefier bass, they're trending for that iconic transparent look. Sources are betting that they'll cost $149 to take on Bose's open-ear game. Let's unpack why these buds are sparking major buzz. So, what's the scoop? The Nothing Ear Open 2 builds on last year's open-ear hit, shaving weight for a feather-light design. Rumors say 7 grams per bud, down from 8.1 grams for all-day comfort. The open-ear vibe keeps you tuned into your surroundings, perfect for runs or coffee shop chats. Leaks point to upgraded 14.2mm titanium-coated drivers with a bass-enhanced 2.0 algorithm that's dialed up for deeper lows. Think punchy EDM or hip-hop without losing clarity. The transparent stems scream Nothing's futuristic aesthetic, with whispers of a slimmer 19mm thick case and IP54 splash resistance. Slated for a June 2025 launch, users speculate $149 price tag, matching the original's value, but aiming to outshine Bose's $299 Ultra Open with style and sound. Why is this trending? Nothing's open-ear game is a creator's dream. No ear canal pressure, just pure sound and awareness. Ex-users are hyping the lighter fit, with one calling it AirPods, but make it cyberpunk. The bass boost has audiophiles curious, promising richer lows than the first Ear Open's 8-hour battery life and ChatGPT quirks. Sources note that Nothing's knack for undercutting rivals at $149. These could crush Bose's pricier open earbuds while matching their 8-hour playback. With Bluetooth 5.3 and dual device pairing, they're built for seamless iOS and Android vibes. Posts on X are wild about the transparent look, blending fashion and tech like nothing else. Pun intended. This is budget audio with premium swagger. Alright, let's get you in the mix. Picture snagging the Ear Open 2. What's your vibe? Blasting bass-heavy tracks on a trail run, staying aware in a busy office, or just flexing that transparent glow for the gram? Drop your dream earbud moment in the comments.